Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Tablecloths are an essential component of elegant dining decor, offering a simple yet effective way to enhance your table setting. Whether you're hosting a formal dinner or a casual family meal, the right tablecloth can transform your dining area. Opt for luxurious fabrics such as silk or linen for a refined look, or go for a modern touch with the minimalist designs. Trendy geometric patterns and bold colors contrasts are popular choices for contemporary settings, while subtle neutral tones are perfect for classic or rustic themes. Layering your tablecloth with placements or napkins in complementary shades can elevate your table decor even further. For a touch of elegance, choose tablecloths with intricate embroidery or lace accents. Incorporating metallic details or a sleek glossy finish can add a modern twist. Don't forget to consider the size of the shape of your table, as select the right fit will ensure a polished and cohesive look. Whether it is holiday celebrating or a simple diner, these tablecloth designs will make your dining space stylish and inviting. Modern trends emphasize eco-friendly materials and sustainable practical for tablecloths made from organic cotton or recycled fabrics. To stay on trend, adding candles or floral centerpieces will complement the sophisticated vibe. Whether your style the choose, the right tablecloth can transform your dining area into a chic gathering spot. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.